Welcome back to Crypto Banter today. We are happy to see you again. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of crypto debit cards and how they can transform your digital currency savings into everyday purchases. These cards offer a convenient alternative to traditional cash-out methods, allowing you to spend your crypto seamlessly. Join us as we discuss the potential benefits of using cryptocurrency for daily transactions and enhancing your shopping experience. Crypto debit cards are financial tools that function similarly to traditional debit cards, allowing users to spend their cryptocurrency directly. When making a purchase, these cards automatically convert crypto into fiat currency, facilitating seamless transactions. Users can typically utilize various cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it easy to access and spend digital assets in everyday life. Using crypto debit cards for purchases offers several advantages, including cashback rewards provided by some card issuers, which can enhance your spending power. These cards simplify transactions by eliminating the need for bank transfers, allowing for instant purchases. Additionally, users can earn crypto rewards with every transaction, making everyday spending an opportunity to grow their digital asset portfolio. While crypto debit cards offer convenience, there are limitations to consider, such as regional availability. For instance, Binance's cards are primarily accessible in Europe. Unlike credit cards, debit cards have spending limits based on your crypto balance. Additionally, in the US, spending crypto can trigger tax implications, making it crucial to understand capital gains tax when using these cards. When selecting the best crypto debit card for your needs, consider factors such as regional availability and cashback perks. It's essential to research various card providers to identify the one that suits you best. Remember, your choice should align with your spending habits and preferences, ensuring that the card enhances your overall cryptocurrency experience and financial goals. We explored the benefits and limitations of using crypto debit cards, highlighting their convenience and potential rewards alongside regional availability and tax implications. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more insights. We invite you to comment on your experiences with crypto debit cards to foster a vibrant community discussion. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.